Welcome back, YouTube. Today is another video. We are going to be installing a new part on the 11th Gen SI. So pretty much what we'll be installing is the new spoiler I picked up for the trunk. The difference of this one is that instead of the OEM SI spoiler, don't get me wrong, it looks great on all the OEM trunk styles for the SIs. It's an amazing spoiler, looks great, stock from Honda, but I just wanted something a little bit different compared to what's out there on the market. That's what it looks like from the rear. Has two little divots right there, and it kind of joins in on the center. It looks very aggressive, which I like, and it does come in black. OEM does have it come in black. What I'll be changing it to is a new style, slightly different, but it will be paint matched to the color of the car. Alright, so with the change of the OEM SI spoiler, I'll be switching it to this paint matched one. So the only difference about this one, it does go onto the trunk like this, where the original OEM SI spoiler is, but it has one smooth curvature, which kind of goes with the flow of the trunk. So it's going to have a nice little clean look, and then again, it is paint matched to the car. I got it painted from a local body shop, not too far away from me, but they did a pretty good job getting it matched to the OEM color of the car. This is, the paint code I believe is R513 Rally Red. It is an OEM Honda color, and I've been using this OEM Rally Red color for like so many of the Civics so far. So good thing that I'm kind of glad it actually matches the car. So what we're gonna do first, take off the OEM spoiler, get the trunk prepped, and get this all prepped as well. Alright, so pretty much we're going to be working on getting off this spoiler. To my knowledge, the new 11 gens actually do use regular adhesive to the trunk, but there's also clips attached to the SI. So if you have an SI model, remember you have clips under the trunk. What you're going to do, take out the little trunk liner right here, pop out all these little clips, and there should be little clips connected with the actual spoiler. So remember, OEM SI models do have clips with the actual OEM spoiler. Right, just so you guys know what I am talking about, it looks like this install has a few extra steps to make your life a lot easier. I say take off one of the rear taillights on both sides. That's the one connected to the trunk. So you're just have to take it off with a couple bolts and then just pop it out. So this little notch right here is actually where this little 8mm nut is going to be sitting. So you're gonna have to pop that out. Be careful not to drop it, or it's going to be stuck in your trunk and just rattling around. So carefully take that off. And then, like I mentioned earlier, you have a couple clips just like that one, those couple white ones right there, and that other gray one right there. I believe there's around 4 if I see. So pretty much you're gonna have to take off both nuts connected to the spoiler, and then as you keep prying it off, you're gonna take off the little clips that are actually attached to the trunk, and those are actually plastic. So just do those steps and you can begin trying to pry this spoiler off. Alright, so, and after this whole mess and preparation, I have finally been able to take off the OEM spoiler. So, as you can see, for the SI models, they come with these kind of like slip-on clips right there, and then they have the little kind of like nut inserts or bolt inserts. So, a couple clips you'll need to pry off. Take your time with it if you're planning to do this little install and removal. Pretty much it's a pretty simple and straightforward removal for the SI spoiler. Put that down right there. A couple holes right there. So we're gonna clean this up, remove some of the little inserts right there, and clean this all up and get it all prepped for the new spoiler. Alright, pretty much brought the car out into the front of the driveway. Let me know what you guys think about the new spoiler install. Just a nice little touch into the rear. I personally like the little clean look, how it's paint matched, and it adds just a little aggressiveness to the rear. It's a nice little touch. I know some people may not be feeling it, they like the old OEM spoiler, but honestly, it's a nice little clean touch. Yeah, if you guys had any questions about the spoiler or anything else about the car, let me know down in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you for watching this quick little install video. I got a couple more ideas for this car in the near future. Hopefully, if everything works out, we'll be seeing some new wheels, hopefully, and some more little exhaust and performance mods. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a little thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll leave a link to the spoiler down in the description down below. But yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.